In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix non-descriptive link text in Webflow in under 2 minutes. Let's dive right in. Picture this. You're working on a project in Webflow, trying to ensure that everything is smooth and perfect. Suddenly, you decide to check the audits panel, and you notice an error linked to non-descriptive link text. This isn't uncommon, so don't worry too much. It's an issue that typically occurs when there's a link block that doesn't contain any content. Although it might sound minor, having non-descriptive link text can lead to accessibility issues and might negatively impact your SEO. To resolve this issue, Webflow's audits panel is your best friend. Take a look at the error message, and next to it, you'll see a little arrow. Clicking this arrow will guide you directly to the problematic link block on your page. This step is straightforward and immensely helpful, saving you the time and effort of manually searching through your content. Now, you've arrived at the link block that's causing the error. You've got two choices on how to handle it. You can either add some descriptive content to the link block or delete it altogether. If you choose to delete it, simply select the link block and hit delete. It's as straightforward as just removing the empty container. If you decide to add content, think about what the link should convey to the user. This means providing meaningful text that clearly describes the target of the link. For instance, if it's a link leading to a contact page, use text that says "Contact us" or something similar. Always ensure that the link text is relevant and informative, improving both the accessibility and usability of your website. These simple choices go a long way in making your web design more user-friendly and accessible to all users, including those who rely on screen readers. By adhering to this straightforward fix, you'll ensure a more seamless experience for everyone visiting your site. And there you have it, all sorted out. Without requiring any complex coding or additional tools, this not only enhances accessibility, but also boosts your site's overall effectiveness and user experience. Just like that, in a matter of moments, you've resolved the issue, making your site that much more polished and professional. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to fix non-descriptive link text in Webflow efficiently and effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Webflow tips. See you in the next video.